Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download ESPN application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Microsoft Store on your device. Now, at the address bar, type in ESPN and click on Enter. After that, click on this icon here. You will get a Get button. Click on it to download the application. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on Open button. So that is how you can use ESPN application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.